Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to add accessories in Roblox Studio, and it will be a full guided for you. If you are a beginner, then it might be a perfect video for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to go over here into the avatar. Once you come over here, then here like into the browser you're not able to add accessories, so that for reason you just need to be open Roblox Studio in here. So once you come over that place, you just need to go over here to the avatar, and then you just need to be click over here avatar setup, and once it's done, then here you just need to be install and plugin. So that for reason you just need to be click over here to the plugin, and then here you just need to be search the plugin, and the plugin name is accessory inserter. So you are allowed to note it if you want to note it. So here you just need to be search this one, and then you will get this app, and then you just need to be install the app. You can see the icon, this will be the icon. So you just need to click on install. Once it install, then here you just need to click on insert accessory, and then you will eventually get this kind of options where you can add your accessory ID here, and it will be applied in that place. Let's say we are going to Roblox here again, and then I will click over here to the accessories, and then I will click on shoulders or anything else like neck, like which is available in here. Let's say I will click on gear, it is not available. Maybe yeah, it is available. Let's find out the waist, and it is available. Yeah, it's also available. So I will provide this Tesla Cybertruck into my Roblox. So I will copy this ID. As you can see into the whole URL, you just need to be copy this code. It's called the ID. You just need to be copy this one, like copy, and then come back to the studio again, and here you just need to select that one, and then paste your ID in here, and just click to the apply, and it will become over that place. So here you can see the Tesla already been come in here. Now if you select this one, you can handle this perfectly. Here you just need to be change it, like go to the home and then click to the rotate, and you can rotate that one like here in this way. So it's really amazing to have these options in here. You can apply any accessories ID in here, and it will be implemented in here. Let's say I will choose this cap, or this one, maybe this one will be a good one. So I will copy the access code, and then I will come back to the studio, and then I will select my dummy, and then I will paste my access code in here, and I'll just click on apply, and here you can see it already been applied in here. So the process is really amazing and really simple. If you have any knowledge, then you can easily apply it. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.